When we think of firewall architecture or think of firewall architecture, there are three types of architectures that we have to consider. First is bastion host, second is screened subnet, and third is multi-homed. A bastion host architecture is designed to defend against attacks. It acts as a mediator between inside and outside networks. Now, a bastion host is a computer system configured to protect network resources from attack. Now, any traffic that enters or leaves the network goes through the firewall. It has two interfaces, and the first is the public interface. It is directly connected to the internet. Now, the second one is the private interface. The name itself says it is connected to the internet.
A screened subnet is a network architecture that uses a single firewall with three network interfaces. The first interface is used to connect the internet. The second interface is used to connect to the DMZ, and the third interface is used to connect to the intranet. Now, what's the advantage of a screened subnet? It separates the DMZ internet from the intranet. If and when the firewall is compromised, access to the intranet will still not be possible. Screened subnet, or DMZ, is an additional zone. The DMZ contains hosts that offer public services. The public zone is directly connected to the internet and has no host controlled by the organization. When it comes to the private zone, it has systems that internet users have no business accessing, so they're kept separate.
The third type of architecture, multi-homed, has intranet, internet, and DMZ. DMZ is a host computer or neutral network. It is placed between internal or private network and outside or public network. It is used to prevent the outside user from accessing the private data. DMZ as a network serves as a buffer between the internal network and the internet. As you know, an internal network is secure and the external or internet is insecure. So a multi-homed firewall is created using a firewall with three or more network interfaces. Each is assigned for specific role. The role could be an internal trusted network, a DMZ network, or an external untrusted network like the internet.
That's right.